I want to share with you why attending a live trading room webinar is such an important part of becoming a successful Forex trader, especially when you're learning how to trade. Let me tell you more right now. Hi, this is Andrew Mitchem here, the Forex Trading Coach. Today is Friday the 1st of November, and I want to talk about live trading room webinars. It's something that I offer my clients, and it's something that I believe is so important and such a great learning tool to help you becoming a successful Forex trader. I want to tell you a few reasons why. Because really, in my opinion, there's no better way of learning. Look, I offer a video course and I offer live tuition, and all that is fantastic. It's a great way to learn the basics. But attending a live trading room webinar is something that's a little bit different. It's a step above everything else. But it's important to have the right kind of webinar as well. I mean, all sorts of people offer webinars online, and most of them are completely useless and boring and don't really tell you anything. What I offer for my clients is a live trading room session, and I want to tell you a little bit about that to let you know how it can help you. You see, I hold these sessions every 2 weeks. They are live. They're in the European session, and I have up to 100 clients can attend those webinars. They're all recorded so they can be viewed at a later date. But the important thing is that we're trading live. I trade on my charts here behind me on live accounts using the software that my clients have, and we're talking about trades in real time. And that's the important thing. We're looking at the right-hand side of the chart, looking at it, what's happening right now. There's no hindsight involved. There's no cherry-picking the best trades. If they're good winning trades, they look good. If there's losing trades, there's losing trades. It's part of trading. And you can't get away from that. But it's also important, and one thing I believe that makes my webinars different to most others, is I show my account. I show my account historical trades, and I show my account live. I show taking the trades live. I'm not saying, oh, I've just taken a trade on the euro US dollar selling at blah, blah, blah price. I don't do that. Oh, I've just closed part of my trade. I don't do that. I show the trade being taken live. You can see me taking the trade on my account. You can see the position size. You can see the entry price, you can see me place my stop loss, my profit target. You can watch the trade progress. You can see trades that I've got already open when the webinar starts, and you can see all the trades that I take during the session. The important thing is, there's many. One, it proves that I'm taking the trades and in real time. And that helps you to learn, because we're discussing the trade setups. We're scanning through the charts, looking at different time frame charts, looking for good setups. So for your point of view, it helps you to learn and to get inside the mindset of a professional trader, what I'm looking at and why I'm looking at taking this trade or not taking this trade. I'll go through and say, look, I really love the look of this setup, but I'm not taking it because of reasons A, B, C. Or I'm liking the look of this setup, and if the 1 hour chart closes in 10 minutes time, then I'm taking it. But let's say in 10 minutes time the 1 hour chart closes not in an ideal formation, so you're learning about candle patterns and formations in real time. Now I'll give you some examples of last night's webinar. Like I said, it was a 2.5 hour session. It was a great session, like they all are, but this one had some really good trade setups occur. I had 5 trades on the 1 hour charts, and 4 of them hit full profit and 1 was stopped out. I had 3 trades on the 5-minute charts. So based on the longer time frame, and then we scaled down to 5-minute charts for our entries. Took 3 trades, 2 of them made full profit, 1 was stopped out. On the 4-hour charts, I took just 1 trade. It was on the Euro New Zealand dollar. If you have a look at the Euro New Zealand dollar for Thursday's European session, you see that it absolutely crashed. But it did that after I was already in the trade. So before that, I could see a short position coming, and so I said to my clients on the 4-hour chart, I'm jumping in now, taking this trade, and it worked really well. So out of those trades, out of those 9 trades, 7 of them hit full profit. If you'd have risked half of 1%, so 0.5% of your account on each of those 9 trades, there's a 5% account gain to be made just on those live trades in that session. Pretty amazing. That's a 5% gain just on those trades, on five 1-hour charts, 3 5-minute charts, and 1 4-hour chart, just in that session. 5% gain on your account. Brilliant results, and it just shows what can happen. And so it means that you can follow along in real time. You're sharing ideas with other traders, because I have clients typing in, hey Andrew, I'm looking at this setup, or can you explain this trade that worked for me last week or didn't work for me? There's questions and answers that go on in between the actually taking the trades, but it's the taking of the trades in real time that's the important aspect. And that, in my opinion, is one of the very best ways you can learn how to trade, because you're doing it live right now in front of, like I'm doing it in front of 100 people. Plus, of course, I've got hundreds of other clients to watch the recordings. But that is the best way for you to learn in real time from the right-hand side of the chart. Forget all the hindsight, forget what's happened, and I did take this trade and I would have taken that one. The could have, would have, should have excuses don't wash with me. It's taking a trade live in front of people in real time that makes the difference between being a great trader in maybe demo or hindsight to being a profitable trader on a live account in real time. That's the difference. So just wanted to pass that information on to you. Hope you've enjoyed the video and the podcast. Look forward to talking to you this time next week. This is Andrew Mitchem from the Forex Trading Coach. Bye for now.